Today we're going to be learning about a new part of speech. We'll be learning about adverbs. But what are adverbs? Adverbs are words that tell us when, how, and where an action happens. So verbs are action words. We know that they tell us what movement or what we're doing, right? We could be walking, we could be running, we could be swimming. So adverbs love verbs. They help verbs make an even better sentence. Let's take a look at this example. Kate will walk. There's our verb, right? We know that Kate is walking. She will walk her dogs. Kate will walk her dogs today. Today would be our adverb. So we could easily use the sentence, Kate will walk her dogs, but by adding today, we're telling when it is happening. So we know that adverbs tell how, when, and where. So let's do some practice. So he slowly traced his words. What do you think might be the adverb in that sentence? Slowly. And slowly is going to tell us how he traced the words. We know that he's doing it slowly. The next example says, we put flour in the mix before the sugar. What do you think might be the adverb there? Before. Before tells us when it is happening. The last sentence is, it is raining outside. What do you think the adverb is for that sentence? Outside. Outside is telling us where this happened. So let's review the different types of words that we have learned so far. First, we learned nouns. Now remember, nouns are a person or animal, a place or a thing. We also learned about adjectives. We know that adjectives are describing words, right? They help us describe what something looks like, or even how many there are. Now we've also learned about verbs, and we know that verbs are our action words, right? They tell us what we are doing. And last, we just learned about adverbs, and we know that adverbs tell us when, how, and where an action takes place. So let's go ahead and practice those adverbs in our assignment today. You're going to be looking for the page that looks like this. Sorting adverbs. And what you're going to do is read each of these words and put it under the place where it matches. So does it tell how, tell when, or tell where? So I'm going to go and make another video. So head over to the next video if you need help sounding out each of these words so you know what they are to put them in the right place. So head to that video if you need some help.